English चलेगा?
हाँ चलेगा.
हाँ. So this script is one of the best scripts I've heard. I've heard a lot of scripts. Uh, Even though I'm new in the industry, I have been working as assistant director since I was 18 years old. So I knew scripts. I worked with very talented directors like Sanjay Bansali sir and Kabir Khan sir. So I have some kind of knowledge about script. Maybe I'm not as expert, but this script when I had got in my hand, it was like one of the best scripts I had heard, and I didn't want to react very happy in front of the director because when an actor shows too much confidence, maybe they go to someone bigger or something. So it was a script, and I was very blessed that Irfan sir came to me for this film. He could have gone to anyone else. I don't know why he came to me. You can ask him.
So how was the journey and how you decided that Suraj should come on board for this movie?
Same. And now, and sometime back, somebody asked me the same thing. Why Suraj? I said, why not Suraj?
Sure.
Why not? It could be anybody. But when I met him, I narrated the script to him, and I was sure that the kind of energy I wanted, the kind of time, and the kind of being true to the script this boy had. And it came true because I needed a lot of hard work. First of all, he has to reduce all those bulk and all those muscles which is available in the market. So I said, please get rid of that. And you have to look as simple, as real as an army jawan, तो फिर उसने उस पर वर्क किया एंड काफ़ी चीज़ों पे वर्क किया मेंटली फिजिकली he started behaving like a soldier, and for me he still looks like Satellite Shankar to me, and I hope he looks like this. I don't want that huge muscular guy. This is lean and mean man like our soldiers are. He kept to it, and he's the right guy for the film.
So what was your approach like when sir had given you the script and there's this shot coming up? Like you used to rehearse or you were quite spontaneous?
No. We did a lot of reading.
Yeah.
We did a lot of reading. We did a lot of character research on the how it's going to be and how he's going to talk, how he's going to
walk.
The
good part about you talking about being spontaneous, I have a very spontaneous director. So there were, even if we did workshops or हम जब set पे गए, the vibe, the characters, if we felt कि सूरज हमें एक बार ये try करके देख ले, so we would do one take of maybe the script and one take of what he wants.
So it was like that. Like we worked on the film like colleagues. So there's nothing like he's an actor or I'm a director. I've been an actor before, so I know that when you're an actor and the director is telling you कि यही करो, तो आपको लगता है साले बेवकूफ़ मैं इससे better कर सकता हूँ. So I never gave him that opportunity to think that साले बेवकूफ़ मैं इससे better कर सकता हूँ. मैं बोला भाई ये कर सकते हैं अपन, तेरे को कुछ करना है तू भी कर ले. तो फिर बोलता मैं ऐसे कर सकता हूँ, कर. इसमें मेरा कुछ I'm getting it only ना. I said give me. The director's job should be take. Everybody, whoever is giving you an advice, he or Sanju, his boy or his driver or my friends or my family, just take it. That should be a director's approach towards filmmaking. क्योंकि उसमें तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं जा रहा, तुमको आ ही रहा है. So I said, give, show me. हाँ, this is not working. Oh, this is working, great. So we keep this. That's how films are supposed to be made, according to me.
While I was doing research for this interview, Suraj, I was going through your interviews. What change I can see. There's a lot more honesty, and you are very elaborative, like about whatever happened about this movie also.
Yeah.
Do you think like past 4 years have changed you as a person also, or as an actor also?
Of course, it's changed me as a person. When certain things happen in your life, it not only. I'm not talking about the acting part. I'm talking about a human. जो आपकी सहने की ताकत होती है, your mental state at that point and everything. It teaches you so much about life. It teaches you who the right people are in your life. It teaches you about your family is the most important. It got me very close to my family, which I'm very happy about. Of course, what happened is very sad, but it teaches you a lot. And acting is about learning from your experience in life. You take out some part of the memory, whether it's happy, whether it's sad, whether it's a worry or whatever. So it has made me into a better, not only a better actor, but also a very, I think, composed human also. Yeah.
So while in last 4 years, so after Hero, the scripts were coming on your way, or you
Be-
wanted time
Before
to,
Hero released, I had many films, but I didn't get that wow wala factor. You know, I wanted that wow wala factor because I knew I'm coming from a film family. I knew कि साला भी, can I say that word? I knew कि अगर मैं deliver नहीं करूँगा as a performer, so people will thrash me down. So I was looking for a script where the director or the script would make me do something, you know, and this is the right film because it made me want to go on set every day. I woke up and I was motivated कि चलो यार जाते हैं, yeah, you know, I didn't want to like leave the sets and
After becoming a soldier, how you think like? Do you think like as a soldier, do you have that selfless love for the country? You know, these kind of things should be like I would like after doing Satellite Shankar and after Suraj being Satellite, whenever like now I think about the country, I look it in a different way. With the kind of emotions we have gone through in their families when we did the scenes, the kind of emotions we have gone through, his love towards the nation has little bit
how do you
changed.
balance all those things which sir mentioned, like shoot life and
so Shankar in the film is a very honest, vulnerable,
And an entertainer.
entertainer,
Yeah.
strong. He is a son that every mother wants. He is that guy that every girl would want to. I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about him. Would fall in love with. So I learned a lot of things. I was always patriotic as an Indian. हम सब बहुत patriotic हैं. But after this film, while shooting it, so yes, but after watching it, I've seen the film, and after watching it, I'm even more patriotic, and that is, I think that will automatically happen for a lot of people after watching the film because it is such a nice, united film.
So everybody loves the country, you know. Everybody loves the soldiers, the Sipahi. But inshallah, after watching this film, they will love them more.
Yeah.
They'll go out of their way. You know, they will do something which they must have not thought about for the country, not for the soldier, but for the country. Because जब ऐसे लोग, जैसे ऐसे सिपाही, हम लोगों की, you know, सेफ्टी के लिए वो आगे खड़े हैं, you know, बुलेट ले रहे हैं हमारे लिए, तो हमको we have to respect that. So we probably start respecting other things around us in this country. I'm not trying to give a bloody, you know, kind of a message or something. I'm not into that. But the perspective of our society might change by this. That's what our aim is.
and that would be a very good contribution to like all the
Yeah.
people.
This is a very small thing we have done for the soldiers. What they do for us, we can't even think about. हम अपनी जान नहीं दे सकते. ये अपनी जान दे रहे हैं हमारे लिए. उनको कुछ लेना देना नहीं हमसे. ना वो they don't know who इरफान कमल is or who सूरज पंचोली is. वो हमारे लिए हमारी सेफ्टी के लिए वहाँ खड़ा है और बुलेट ले रहा है. तो हम लोग उनके लिए क्या ये पिक्चर ऐसी नहीं बना सकते? क्या हम उनके लिए ऐसी पिक्चर जाके देख नहीं सकते?
Definitely.
यू नो कि हम अपने बच्चों को ये नहीं दिखा सकते कि देखो ये हमारे हिंदुस्तान के सोल्जर है, यू हैव टू रिस्पेक्ट देम. सो दिस इज अ फिल्म फॉर एवरीबडी, फॉर एवरी इंडियन एनीवेयर इन द वर्ल्ड टू वॉच and you should tell your kids to watch this kind of films because it gives you more love towards not just your country, but the people who are securing you, the people who are helping you to live like the way you're living. This is that film.
Lastly, this movie is coming on 8th of November. What message would you like to give our viewers?
What I want to say is that, guys, we worked very hard on this film, and it takes a lot of people to work hard and to make a film. We've not only made this for our soldiers, but we've made this for our soldiers' families, and we've made this for our entire nation. We've made this for India. So guys, please catch this film on the 8th of November, which is one day before my birthday. And so guys, if you want to give me a small birthday gift, I think it will be buying a ticket on the 8th of November.
And on the 9th and on the 10th, and just go on.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.